heads wherever you go, this beautiful maxi dress features gorgeous lace decorations and a daring sheer inserting on the skirt, exposing the legs. In this video, I will be showing you how to sew it up. Hi everybody, my name is Carleen and welcome back to Carleen for You. The fabric I have chosen for this project, it's a silk cotton combined with silk muslin for the sheer piece part on the skirt. I also use lace to embellish the dress. A detailed cut and sewing for this dress is available in the pattern I have provided in the description below. Stitch together the lower front bodies on the central lines, right side facing. Repeat this process with the lower back bodies. Sew also together the center back of the lower back bodies, right side facing. Assemble the side seams of the lower front bodies to the lower back bodies. Overlock all the seams. Put a basting stitching on the chest line of the front and back bodies so that you can pull to create gathering. Sew the front bodice piece to the back piece on the shoulder line and side seam, right side facing. Overlock the seams. Place the top bodies on the lower bodies, right side facing, and match the chest lines together. Sew them together and overlock. Press the seam towards the hips line and top stitch it. Put a basting stitching on the hips line of the upper skirt so that you can pull to create gathering. Place the bodice on the upper skirt, right side facing, match the hips line and stitch them together by making sure to distribute evenly the gathering. Overlock the seam. Press the seam towards the chest line and top stitch it. Put a basting stitching on one of the horizontal lines of the lower skirt so that you can pull to create gathering. Place the mid part of the skirt, which is the sheer material, on the lower part of the skirt, right side facing, and sew them together by making sure to distribute evenly the gathering. Overlock it. Press the seam towards the sheer material and top stitch it. Hem the bottom and the sides by folding the material twice 5 mm. Place the top side of the mid-skirt line over the lower part of the upper skirt, stitch them together and overlock. Press the seam towards the hips line and top stitch it. Prepare some bias strips for the armhole and neckline finish. Fold them in two lengthwise, wrong side facing, and press them down. Sew them along the armhole and the neckline, right side facing. Flip the biases on the wrong side of the bodies and sew them down. If you decide to decorate your dress with lace trims, now it's time to apply them. Place the opening guard on the left side of the dress, right side facing, and stitch it down. Press the seam towards the side of the dress and top stitch it. Create the buttonholes on the right side of the dress. To finish the center row edge, cover it with a bias strip of fabric. Sew the buttons on the left side of the dress by matching them with the buttonholes.